Good morning, students. Now, class 7. Today, you have to read about the yawn and smoking effect. Now, yawn. Why do you take yawn? When you sleep, then enough oxygen is not entered in our lungs. Then, what is done? The amount of carbon dioxide is increased in our body, and at that time brain senses and send the message for yawn. Then we take long breath and sufficient oxygen is entered in our lungs, then percentage of carbon dioxide is decreased in our blood and we feel relaxed. Understand? Now, smoking effect. You know that one smokes tobacco, that is cigarette. Cigarette contains what? Tobacco, and when tobacco burns, then 4,000 harmful chemicals are released, and that can damage our alveoli and airways, that is trachea. Now, when the trachea is damaged, that is the airways, air passing way, and alveoli is damaged, then entering of oxygen is less, and then our blood does not remove all carbon dioxide. Then what will happen? The harmful effect will be done on our lungs. So now our lungs will be affected, that is damage of alveoli, air sacs. This disease is called the emphysema. And when will be the wound inside the lungs, then cancer may be happen. Now, one should not smoke cigarette or bidi. Understand? Now, what is the oxygen carrier of our body? You know that iron complex found in our red blood, that is the hemoglobin, and it carries oxygen into different parts of our body and also carries carbon dioxide from different parts of our body to the lungs. Now, hemoglobin is the respiratory carrier. Understand? And carbon dioxide is a toxic gas, that is poisonous gas, and it can affect our body parts, so it should be removed from our body. Understand? Now, one activity, that how will you show that our exhaled air contains carbon dioxide? Now take lime water and pass your exhaled air, then you will see that lime water, which is the colorless water, becomes milky. It means what? That carbon dioxide released from our exhaled air, and that reacts with lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, to form calcium carbonate. Now, this activity represents that exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. Now, students, you have understood that why do you take yawn? Why should you smoke, and which is the respiratory carrier, and why should carbon dioxide be removed from our body? Understand? Okay.